Hello guys, welcome back to the daily challenge series. Today is the 7th day. So we have the question from partial fractions here. So as you know that the partial fraction, first of all you just look at the numerator and denominator degrees. So degree of the numerator here is 2 and degree of the denominator is also 2. So this is an improper fraction. So whenever you get an improper fraction, so you need to convert that into a proper fraction by simply dividing. So for that, first step we have to take here that this 6x squared minus 2x plus 2. I will expand the lower part here and I got here 2x squared minus x minus 1. So now it's clear that degree of numerator and denominator is same, so we can divide it by long division method. So we are dividing 6x squared minus 2x plus 2 by 2x squared minus x minus 1. So as we need here 6, so we will multiply here by 3. So this 3 is gonna multiply throughout here and we will write it down whatever we get here. We got here 6x squared and then minus 3x minus 3. So now we subtract. When we subtract, we change the signs of the lower equation. This and this is gone, so I am left with here x plus 5. So now we need to rewrite this now as this function. This is a function here. This can be written as 3. Let me write it fully. 2x plus 2 over 2x squared minus x minus 1. This can be written as 3 plus x plus 5 over then the divisor. We have this x 2x squared minus x minus 1. So this is same as like 11 over 5 can be 11 over 5 is 5 times 2 1 over 5. So we can write it down like 2 plus 1 over 5. So that's what I have done here in this case. So this is equivalent to the, we will write the original form, minus 2x plus 2 over, we have the factors x minus 1 and x minus 2x plus 1. As we need the factors, so here also we will write down as the factor. We need the factors for using the partial fractions, right? So this is what we got, right? So now let's solve this. We are going to solve this part only. The second term here I'm going to use this one. So we are just solving this first. So here we have x plus 5 over, we will take x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So using the partial fraction, so this is type 1. So type 1, you just go and check the detailed video on partial fraction on the channel. I will put the description link in the description here. So for type 1, we will split it into as a over the first expression plus b over the second, because they both are linear expressions. So now cross multiply. So we will get here x plus 5 will equals to this, all we are going to multiply on other side. So we will get here a into 2x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1, right? So now we will find out the values of the constants. So let's say first of all we have x is equal to 1. When x is 1, so left hand side will be 1 plus 5, then this is going to be a into 2 times 1 plus 1, and this is going to become, second term is going to become 0. So this leads to a, giving us a equals to 2, right? So now we can choose another value of x. So let's say our x is now negative half. So if we take negative half, so left hand side negative half plus 5 will be equals to, this first term is going to become 0, the coefficient of a will become 0, and then plus we have b into negative half and negative 1. So this will give us a value for b. So 9 over 2 equals to b into negative 3 over 2. So this leads to the value of b equals to negative 3. Once we got the value of a and b, we are just going to substitute this in equation here above this one. let's say this is equation A. Okay, so we are going to take this equation, so that will give us the exact answer. So the function that we have is equal to you can even also use fx to save your time writing the whole as a whole. We can just write as the symbol, so 3 over 2x plus 1. So this is how we use the partial fraction to split this expression. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, and give your feedback in the comment section. Be blessed, guys.